Assalamualaikum and hi to our lecturer, Madam Salasiah. I'm NORLIYANA binti FUZI and my group member is Tashrina Aireen binti SAZLI, SITI BALQIS binti KAMAL, NURUL binti HALIM and FARAH IZZATI binti MOKHTAR. And we are from KIM 1104A. Today we want to show a tutorial on the process of performing an installation of the operating system using a virtual machine.
Assalamualaikum and hi, I'm Siti BALQIS binti ABDUL.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Tashrina Aireen binti SAZLI.
Okay, hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is IZZATI binti MOKHTAR.
Hi and Assalamualaikum to Madam Salasiah. My name is NURUL binti ABDUL.
Firstly, go to Google and search for this link. Scroll down and you can see Create Windows 10 Installation Media and click Download Tool now. Wait a second for the file be downloaded. Then click the downloaded file when it have done. Here select the Create Installation Media for another PC, then click Next. Make sure you tick on the small box below and click Next. In this case, we want to install it in form of USB drive, so click the USB flash drive. Then click which USB drive you want it to be. Click Next and it will start installing the software. This process may take several minutes or hours depending on your internet speed. Click Finish when it has done downloading. Then go to USB drive and you will see the downloaded software and now you can use it.
Next is the installation of virtual machine. So first, we need to open any of our preferred browser. For me, I'm using Google. And then just search for VirtualBox. And make sure you click on the right link, which is this one, Oracle Virtual Machine VirtualBox. So as we can see here on the left of the screen, there's a few options and just click on download. There is also a multiple option for the host and I'm using Windows. I'm gonna use this one, Windows host. And the VirtualBox will be automatically downloaded. So once it's done, just close this. And open the file where you place the VirtualBox. I just drag mine to the desktop. And click on it. And then you follow the instruction in this box, click on next. Install and wait for a bit. And finish. The VirtualBox is ready to be used by now.
Firstly, you must download Plugboot Manager. You open the Google and type Plugboot Manager and choose the first link. And then this option will appear. You can choose anyone that you want to download. This is because VirtualBox doesn't allow us to continue the VirtualBox without ISO file. And then open your VirtualBox and click New. And then you must name your file as Windows 10 and choose the file location, and then click Next. In this part, you can select your memory size. Click Next. You have to choose Create a virtual hard disk now. Click Create. And then choose VDI VirtualBox Disk Image. Click Next. And then select Dynamically Allocated. And click Next. And then you can double check your file location and your size of virtual hard disk. In this part, I will adjust my size to around 20 GB only. And click Create. And then click Setting. You have to click the system. You must double check whether it has any problem or not. And then you click on Storage. The empty disk, you have to remove it first. You have to add IDE controller. Add optical drive. Choose this. In this part, you have to extract your Plugboot Manager that you have been downloaded just now. Click Choose. And on that window 10, you have to select SATA port 1 and choose virtual hard disk file and choose Windows 10. And then you go to USB. You must choose USB 1.1, and this part you have to select your selected USB drive. Mine is Kingston Data Traveler. And click OK and click Start. You have to wait for a while, and until this disappears, you will have to use your arrow key and choose USB. And again, you have to wait for a while. Okay, in this part you have to select the language that you want to install and whatsoever, and click next. Click install now. Wait until the setup is finished. And then at this part, if you have a product key, then you must write your product key, but in this case I don't have my product key, so I will select the I don't have a product key, and this will disappear, and you only have to click next. This will be some license terms. You have to click I accept and click next, and you must choose install Windows only. This is the drive that you have been made just now. Click next and wait until the install finish. And there you go, the OS have been installed.
Okay, for step 4, number 1, I will show you my desktop icons, which is my computer, recycle bin, network, documents, and control panels icon. So the first step is right click, personalize. Okay, and then you click on themes. After that, you click on desktop icon setting, and then you tick on computer, users file, network, recycle bin, and control panel, and then OK. Okay. So this is the icons. Okay, so this is the icons. Okay, next, I will change the wallpaper. So first, right click, personalize. And then you can choose your picture for your background. So I will browse. And then I will choose my picture. Okay. Okay, now my wallpaper has changed to the picture that I just choose. And that is all from me.
First, right-click on the Disk PC icon. Then, search for the disk management. Go to the disk that you want to be shrink and right-click and click Shrink Volume. Wait for a second for it to calculate your disk storage. Here, select the amount that you want to shrink in MB. Then click Shrink. This process may take several minutes. When it has done shrink, right-click at the partition that you has shrink and click New Simple Volume, and it will take you to the volume wizard. Then click Next. Just set as the default the setting and click Next. You can choose the assign letter for the drive letter, then click Next. Here, you can just set the default setting, then click Next, and then Finish. You are finished for the disk partition. First, click Document, and then right-click on this PC and select Properties. Click Advanced System Settings. Click Settings and go to Advanced and click Change. Unclick the Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drivers and set up custom size for initial size and maximum size. Click Set. Click OK. Click Apply and then click OK. Click OK. And you can choose either to restart now or later.
This is how to create user local account. Firstly, you must search user account, and then add someone else to this PC. Add your name and enter the password, and also re-enter the password. To avoid forget your password, you have to click any, so you have to answer security questions. It must be 3 questions needed, and click next. That's all. The local account has been created.
So to change local user account to administrator account, first we need to open control panel. And then we click on user accounts. And here we can see that the account on the left is a local account, so we're going to change it. Change the account type. Choose administrator, and that's it. That's how you change a local account to administrator account.
This is how to share a folder. Firstly, you click on the folder that you want to share. Right click and click Properties and choose Sharing, Advanced Sharing, and you can select the name that you want to share and click Permission and click Change, and you can share the folder to everyone. Click OK and OK. That's all.
To run the task manager, you can right click on the taskbar and then click the Task Manager, and you are done. To change your computer names, go to Windows, then Setting, and click the System. Go down below and search for About, and then click Rename this PC. Then rename the PC that you want to name, and then click Next. Here you can restart now or restart later, and you are done for rename your computer name.
That is the end of our video in demonstrating the steps and processes to install Windows 10 and creating a virtual machine. In conclusion, OS play a big role in computer system as it provides resources to software, managing hardware, and also implement standard services for computer program. It is very beneficial since it can improve work efficiency and save so much time. Besides, it is user-friendly that make user understand it fast and well.